In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the SiriusXM app. First, download and install. Grab the SiriusXM app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The download is free. Create or log into your account. Open the app and log in using your SiriusXM username and password. If you're new, you can create an account or start a free trial. Explore the home screen. Check out the homepage. It highlights featured channels, trending content, and personalized suggestions based on your listening habits. Browse channels and shows. Use the search bar or explore by categories like music, sports, news, comedy, or podcasts to find or discover content. Use your library. Add your favorite channels, shows, sport teams, and podcasts to your library so you can easily find them later. Set reminders. Tap the bell icon on any channel or show page to get alerts when new episodes or live broadcasts begin. Stream across devices. Enjoy listening on your phone, tablet, smart TV, smart speakers, or in your car if it supports SiriusXM with 360L. Personalize your experience. Check out custom recommendations and explore related channels to find content that fits your taste. Important notes: a SiriusXM subscription is needed to access most shows and channels. Do not share copyrighted material or show unauthorized uses. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.